Hi, my name is Brian Sheezer, and I'm at Trellis, the Heathman Hotel in Kirkland, Washington. We're here to talk about how to broil a burger in a gas oven. Now, if you're like me and you cook at home and you have something in the oven and that little bit of fat that drips down and starts to sizzle on the bottom of the pan, it often will send up a little bit of smoke. So what we're going to try to do is we're going to try to avoid that and have the perfect broiled burger. So first thing we do is we heat our oven to broil. Move your shelves in the oven up to the second to the top position, and you start out with a beautiful hamburger. You can use a cookie sheet. Sometimes you can put an oven grate on the cookie sheet so that your burger's not actually sitting right on the pan. If you don't have a grate that fits onto your cookie sheet, a little trick, something you can do is take a nice slice of onion, put that onion in the pan, and you can do several of these on your cookie sheet. Then we're going to take our burger, we're going to put our burger right on top of that onion. So the onion is almost acting like that little grate that's keeping it up off. Now, as we broil our burger and those fats drip down into the pan, they're going to start to smoke, and we don't want that to happen. But we also don't want our burger to be in water. So we take just a little bit of water and put a little water on the bottom of our pan. What'll happen is, as we're broiling our burger and those fats drip, they hit the water, they won't smoke or they won't burn, and you won't have all that extra aroma, as we would call it, while you're cooking. So remember, put your burger in the pan, put a little bit of onion underneath if you don't have a grate, a little water. We're going to top it with some salt, some pepper. Our oven is already preheated, and you can take this, just put it on your top shelf. It's going to take about 10 to 12 minutes. You can flip it over at that point and let the other side cook. If you need to add a little bit more water to your pan, you can. And here I have the finished burger that has been broiled in a gas oven.